guys, welcome to the Sonax Garage. Today we're going to talk about spring prep. You southern states, it's a little bit warmer. You're already kind of in that car cleaning phase. Us northern states, hang in there guys, we are right around the corner. But just quickly, this is a 2013 550i. We'll kind of talk about the steps to kind of get that winter residue off the car, salt. If it's an outdoor stored car, we'll have bird droppings and all that good stuff. But again, from beginning to end, engine bays, wheels, paint, all that good stuff, we'll talk about how to get the winter mix off your car and get it ready for spring. So again, we're starting with the dirtiest part of the car. We're starting with the engine. First steps is you want to go in, kind of blow out, pick out, or even use a vacuum any leaves, pine needles, any of that good stuff that might be in the engine that obviously isn't supposed to be. Next, you'll want to use a high alkaline cleaner to clean any of the plastic, any exposed engine parts. One thing to note, this car doesn't really have anything but exposed wires that might not potentially need to get wet. Most engines are built for getting wet. Underneath, it's obviously not covered, so if it's raining and all that good stuff, engine does get wet. You just don't want to soak or put a lot of pressure in some specific areas. We're going to use Multi-Star. It's 11.5 pH alkaline cleaner. We'll dilute it down 1 to 5, 1 to 10 for engine specifically. I'll use an IK sprayer, just saturate it, take a brush if needed in those super dense dirty areas just to agitate it, just to get that rinse out to be a little bit cleaner, a little bit better. And then I'll follow it up with Plastic Care, which is a quick engine dressing for any plastic components. It's great for open engines as well. Older engines, it's still a great dressing, but it'll kind of give it that shine, that pop of a new engine. Now that we have the engine compartment blown out, we're going to use our Multi-Star diluted 1 to 10, and we're going to kind of work from the top down. Again, I'm going to spray, let it sit for a second, take a brush in those heavy areas. What's really nice with the IK sprayer is you just pump and spray. You're not giving a whole bunch of forearm workouts. Let's rinse. Now that the engine's cleaned, it's ready to be dressed with Plastic Care. Spray it on wet, close the hood, and when you're done washing the car, come look at your work. It's as easy as that. Now that we're onto the wheel, we're going to use two products. Again, we're going to use Multi-Star for the tire itself and the wheel wells. This is again diluted 1 to 5. It's a very versatile cleaner. It can be used in an IK sprayer. It can be used in a pump, trigger, whatever floats your boat. You're literally just going to spray it, let it sit. Again, if it's super bad, take a brush, agitate to clean the wheels. You won't damage anything if it gets on the paint. Now that the rubber is done, we're going to move to the wheels and use Beast Wheel Cleaner. This is our strongest and best wheel cleaner. It has 25% more active ingredient than Plus, and it's a 1 liter size. So Plus being a 750 milliliter bottle, this is a 1 liter. It is color changing. As you see, it's turning purple. That's how you know it's working. That's going to pull any brake dust, anything, any ferrous metals, any brake dust out of the rim itself. So I get the question a lot, what's the difference between iron fallout and wheel cleaner? The big thing is chemically, Beast Plus, any of the wheel cleaners are meant to bond with metal, so rims, anything specific like that. Iron fallout is designated more chemically for paint. So this has now been sitting for 2 minutes or so. Again, this being prepping for spring, it's going to be a little bit more dirty just because of everything that it's experienced over the winter. So I am going to take a brush, agitate the tires a little bit, and clean out take a brush to agitate the rims as well. But you can see how the tire is pulling brown. That's all the dirt and grime over the 4 months or so of not getting the attention that it needs to get. And again, I would just let it sit another minute or so, follow it up with a pressure washer and spray off. Now that the wheels are cleaned, we are moving to the painted surface. We're gonna do a quick pre-soak with the alkaline cleaner Multi-Star. Again, that is a very versatile cleaner. We did engine 1 to 10, we did wheels 1 to 5, and we're gonna now do paint to treat the salt, southern states if you have bugs now, to get the bug residue, and this is gonna be closer to 1 to 15. So let's get started. Now that Multi-Star has been applied to the car, you don't really want to agitate it because we haven't knocked down any of that salt, any of that bird residue. You don't want that contamination that might scratch the paint. So what we're going to do is we're going to have the Multi-Star sit there, neutralize the salt. If you have bugs, it's going to neutralize the bugs, and then you just spray it off. And that will be your pre-soak. After that, you'll follow up with your contact wash and your soap. Now we're ready for the contact wash. I'm using a foam cannon soap, Active Foam. It's a 30-to-1 concentrate. It lays on a thick layer of foam. It helps the cleaning process because you're not really washing the car per se. As the soap lays on the paint, it's gonna pull the contaminants away, and you're more so just lightly going over, agitating the paint, and it helps prevent scratches, swirl marks, and all that good stuff. I'm essentially gonna do a 2-bucket wash, but since I sprayed the paint, I don't need the second bucket. This is just gonna be my rinse. With all of the winter buildup, the salt, all that junk that's still on the paint, I don't want to wash this whole car because that will cause scratches and swirl marks. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to go panel by panel, go back to my bucket, rinse. There is a grit guard at the bottom, so all the contaminants will be stuck at the bottom of the bucket, and when I'm washing, it's going to be a fresh sponge on the paint, not causing any imperfections. Time to rinse. Now that the car's washed, let's protect it. We're gonna use my personal favorite spray and seal. This is a water activated sealant that you spray on when the car is wet and then you spray off. There is no drying, you just wanna hit all of the exterior surfaces, spray it off. It's super easy, you can do a whole car in a matter of seconds. So that's it. We've cleaned the engine, we've dressed the engine, cleaned the wheels, did a pre-treatment to break down any of that winter buildup that might cause damage to the paint. We've washed the car, we even put a sealant on the car that's gonna give it a good 3 to 6 months of protection. So in 5 easy steps, you can do all of those things to get your car ready for spring and get your shine on.